Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on MetaTrader 5 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change language on MetaTrader, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 5 application. The home page of MetaTrader application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on Settings. You will end up on the Settings page of MetaTrader 5 application. Now scroll down and click on Language option. Select the language to what you would like to change and tap on it. This is how you can change language on MetaTrader 5 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.